a concrete foundation to the event of Friday. The Bible even says, celebrate humanity when humanity is still alive. God has blessed us with General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and he's still alive. Yoweri, come this Friday, for the great works the President has done. We are all coming to Kololo. And I'm here to encourage Ugandans. There are people from other countries who are coming with us. In the medical fraternity, the doctors, we have 4,000 doctors coming. A Dr. Zoe! A Dr. Zoe! A free medical campaign! And on that day, we are giving free medical services. Now, we have cervical cancer screening, we have prostate cancer checking, we have breast cancer, we have ophthalmology clinic coming. That is the eye care. It's going to be here. We have general laboratory testing is going to be there. We have disease prevention team is going to be here. We have general medical on that day here. We have dental. You have issues of the teeth. We are going to be here for free. Donation, blood. Our mothers die every day. We have about 180 mothers dying per 100,000 births. And this number is drastically reduced because in 2017 we had 388. That is where the president picked us from. So we are saying on that day, we are giving free medical services. A free medical service.
100 cows, about 15 tons of rice, and 20 trucks of matoke. And all these have come from the various regions of the country, from the west, the east, the central, and the north.
A celebration, oye! Oye! A celebration!